So I made some changes to the gate. It's got some new features now. It's got a double latch. Sweet. And you gotta kind of work it with two hands though. All right, there we go. And then you're in the garden. Actually, I'm not even done yet. I still have to put the rain barrel back here, and I still have to put up another chain link. And this will be all for peas here next year. So now it's actually fenced in, kind of, sort of. Those are looking good. Yeah, so there's my gates, and then you do. I also fixed this one, improved it, whatever you want to call it. Also has a automatic clickety lockety perfect.